Let's take a look at this example. Please notice that this time we have given obtuse angle. If we have given obtuse angle, the remaining angles must be acute angles, because in triangle we can have only one obtuse angle. Also, please notice that the opposite side to angle C is not given. So if opposite side to the given angle we're supposed to find, means we cannot use law of sines at the beginning. We're supposed to use first law of cosines, and after that we can use law of sines. Because we have to find side C, I'm going to use this version of law of cosines. So let me copy this down. I have c squared is equal a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cosine of angle C. In order to find C, I have to square root both sides of my formula, and I'm going to have C is equal square root, open parenthesis, a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cosine of angle C. Plug in the numbers, so I have C is equal square root, open parenthesis, a is equal 120 kilometers to the second power plus b, which is equal 210 kilometers to the second power minus 2 times a, which is equal 120 kilometers times b, which is equal 210 kilometers times cosine of angle 108 degrees. Okay, plug in everything into the calculator, and you're supposed to obtain value of side C equal to 272.16 kilometers. Okay, so this is the length. This is the length of my side C, which is basically the opposite side to the given angle. So if I have angle and opposite side, I can use law of sines. So I have side C, angle C. I'm going to write ratio C over sine of angle C is equal A over sine of A. I take the shortest sides first. So what I'm supposed to do next? I'm supposed to perform the cross multiplication. I have to find angle A. So I'm going to have C times sine of angle A is equal A times sine of angle C. In order to find angle A, I'm supposed to divide both sides of the formula by C, side C. So I'm going to have sine of angle A is equal A sine of angle C over side C. In order to find angle A, I'm supposed to write A is equal inverse sine and simply copy down this fraction. So I have A sine of angle C over side C. Plug in the numbers, and we are going to have inverse sine side A, which is equal 120 kilometers, sine of angle C, which is equal 108 degrees, over side C, which is equal 272.16 kilometers. 272.16 kilometers. Kilometer and kilometer will cancel out. Again, you're supposed to use the calculator, and you will get angle 24.79 degrees. And this is acute angle. So it makes sense because we have already obtuse angle. This is my given angle. So my angle A and angle B must be acute angle. Okay, so in order to find angle B, I'm supposed to remember that the sum of all angles in the triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So I can simply write the formula. Angle B is equal 180 degrees minus angle A and minus angle C, which is equal to 180 degrees minus 24.79 degrees and minus 108 degrees. This is equal. So angle B is equal 47.21 degrees. And we got another acute angle. So we have two acute angles. We have one obtuse angle, so this is correct. And we found the missing side, side C. So we can say that the problem is solved.